My name is Jeanette Britt. I'm the Vice President for Technology and CIO here at Mercyhurst University. We are a 4-year Catholic liberal arts educational institution up in Erie, Pennsylvania. We also have a campus in Northeast Pennsylvania, which houses 20 of our associate and certificate programs. Altogether, we have about 3,400 students. DES is quickly becoming a valued partner for us here at Mercyhurst. About 2 years ago, we were looking for some new technology in our classrooms, and our Extron rep recommended DES. They assist us with all of our classroom technology, both on our Erie campus and in our Northeast campus. They also installed a state-of-the-art phone system in our boardroom and installed all the audio and video equipment in several of our conference and event spaces. We are really excited about the Cyber Education Center. We wanted everyone to realize that we were serious about educating our students in cybersecurity and that we were willing to put the investment in. It's an 8,000 square foot facility that has a cyber lab, 2 general use computer labs, and a security operations center. As soon as this project came up, we called DES. They came up and met with our students, our faculty, the project team, and really listened to what the needs were of the space and really presented an amazing package of technology solutions. This is the Cyber Lab. This room is a closed space. It runs on its own independent network, separate from the rest of the university. This is the room that they're going to be working with malware and other viruses, and it's sensitive information that we don't want out on the rest of the network. In our 2 general use computer labs, DES put in Crestron controllers, Crestron Air Media wireless presentation devices, the drop-down screens, the projectors, the monitors, all of the audio equipment in those rooms as well. We think this facility gives our students an incredible advantage to be able to learn and then be able to walk across the hall and work in a real live security operations center. Hands-on experience of what they're learning is invaluable.
The unique experience that the students will have in this center will allow them to get their hands dirty early on in their education before they get into the workforce.
The students and faculty could not be more excited about this space. You cannot walk in here and not be impressed.
Nobody expected this, honestly. It is like a, I don't know, out of this world. It's shiny, it's white, I feel like I'm in a movie.
Working with DES is a pleasure. They are partners with you through a project from the beginning until the end. They bring smart solutions, they are incredibly flexible, and I would recommend them to any university or company.